In a bustling city, a young boy named Tim found a stray puppy on the street. Tim, often bored and looking for something to do, decided to take the pup home. He named him Buddy. Tim didn't treat Buddy as a friend, but more like a toy, something to play with whenever he felt like it. Despite this, Buddy was overjoyed just to be with Tim, never expecting anything in return. Days turned into months, and months into years. Tim grew older, becoming a young man, while Buddy grew into a strong adult dog. Even though Tim's treatment of Buddy never changed, Buddy remained loyal, always by Tim's side, ready to offer love and companionship. One bright afternoon, Tim decided to take Buddy for a walk. The sun was shining and the air was filled with the sounds of the bustling city. As they walked, an ambulance sped down the street, sirens blaring, rushing to the hospital due to an emergency. In a tragic turn of events, Tim was hit by the ambulance, and he fell to the ground, gravely injured. The people around quickly called for another ambulance, while Buddy barked frantically, clearly distressed but unable to understand what to do. The paramedics arrived swiftly, lifting Tim onto a stretcher and placing him in the ambulance. Buddy followed, his heart racing, but he couldn't go inside. Instead, he ran behind the ambulance all the way to the hospital, refusing to leave his friend. At the hospital, Tim was taken into the ICU. Buddy waited outside, his eyes fixed on the door, not moving an inch. The hours passed slowly, but Buddy remained vigilant, his loyalty unwavering. Finally, after what felt like an eternity, a doctor came out and informed the waiting family that Tim's condition had stabilized. He would need time to recover, but he was going to be okay. Tim was moved back home to continue his recovery. Throughout this time, Buddy never left his side. Day and night, he stayed close to Tim, watching over him, his eyes filled with worry and a desire to see his friend back to his old self. As Tim slowly recovered, he began to realize just how much Buddy meant to him. He saw the unwavering loyalty and love in Buddy's eyes and understood that Buddy was more than just a plaything. Buddy was a true friend, always there, always loyal, no matter how he had been treated. Tim's heart softened as he recognized Buddy's dedication. He started treating Buddy with the love and respect he deserved. They spent their days together, not just as a boy and his dog, but as true companions. Tim's recovery sped up, fueled by the comfort and loyalty of his faithful friend. Years later, Tim often looked back on that day with a mix of gratitude and awe. He understood the mysterious bond that had formed between them, a bond that went beyond simple friendship. It was as if Buddy had been sent to show Tim the true meaning of loyalty and unconditional love. Buddy's story became a cherished tale in their community, a reminder of the powerful bond between a human and a dog. It was a story of how loyalty can transcend years of indifference and how a dog's love can transform the heart of a young man, teaching him the true meaning of companionship,